So today I'm just going to show you a shortcut of how you can do your company branding with a Notion template provided by Netflix. It's a really cool shortcut I found. So to give you background, if you don't know what Notion is, it's an all-in-one workplace. They have templates for onboarding customers, um, project management, and anything you could think of. And so so all you do is you just go to notion.so, create an account, and they have a free plan. That'll just get you started. And then what's good is they have templates, and they have a template community that anyone can add their templates, and then people can reuse them for their own, however they like. So if you go to the left side, you'll go here to templates and click there. And then you'll go on the left side and you'll keep going down. At the end, you click more from the community. And here you'll see all the templates that the community of users have submitted to Notion that are available to other users of the platform. So this is really great because a lot of the users work at other big companies. And so they're categorized by different industry. So we're going to look for the branding template. So it's under marketing. Go there, and that'll load, and then you'll see all the templates for marketing, and then it's right here. So you click on that, and then what you want to do. So you'll see the preview of the template here. It has explanation of how they do their branding framework. This is really good if you have no framework at all for your company, and so it really gives you the framework of how to build that. And it'll go through the questions that you need to answer for your company. So it is very helpful. And so what you want to do is you'll go, so it says it's free. The templates are either free or sometimes they have a fee, but it'll tell you right here. And then you want to go click here. So you want to duplicate the template into your own account. So for me, it would be the Uploading Success account, and you click duplicate template, and it'll load up into your own account, and then you'll be able to use it for your own purposes. So right now it says it's duplicating. Okay, great. So then you can just already start working on it directly within your account, your Notion account. It gives you clear explanations of how to do everything, positioning model, what is it, and it'll just go step by step, and then it gives you helpful tips on the side. So it's really great because obviously Netflix is a big brand. So you get to go through their process, and they give you an example here, explanation of the branding pyramid, and more questions. And it's all interactive, so you can type in your answers here. And then once you have all your answers, you have more examples. And then at the end, they have a concept summary where you put all your answers together into one big summary for your company. So that will really drill down what is your company about, what does your company offer, and why people should choose your company. So, and these are also helpful tips here. And then Netflix itself has their own brand summary here, so you can look at that and see how they did it. So overall, it is a great framework, a great template to use, and it's free. Another thing to know that you can also submit a template of your own to Notion, and it's really good for your own brand. So Netflix was smart for putting their own template here because now they have their logo in their brand in front of other employees of other companies and other business owners. And so it's also useful to submit templates as well. So just a great tip for any business owners, whether you want to use the template or you want to submit a template for PR purposes.